Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port and headphone jack board on the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then take out the mid frame by undoing 15 screws from the top and bottom sections. Next, disconnect the fingerprint plug. And also make sure the SIM tray is out. And then, using a plastic car pry tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, move to the bottom and disconnect the LCD plug and two antenna heads from the charging port board. Next, apply some heat to the charging port board. And then gently lift the not working charging port board with the headphone jack using a tweezer or something similar. Next, place the new charging port board with the headphone jack in the frame. Next, secure the LCD plug and two antenna heads to the board. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place the mid frame in the body by securing 15 screws from the top and bottom sections. Next, secure the fingerprint plug. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding to tighten the back cover with the body. If not, you can use rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.